So went out for a hike today and came to a favorite place of mine, little sitting area with a bench, and a big branch had fallen across the trail, and so the trail into the sitting area where the bench is. So I decided to cut the branch and remove it, and my Sierra saw fatigued, the plastic fatigued and shattered. So fortunately there's a fix for this. If you carry some paracord, and you should carry some paracord and some tape and things like that in your trail kit, so you can make field expedient fixes if necessary. So I was able to get a piece of Sycamore, I think it's Sycamore, and cut a notch in it, fitted the blade to it, and then using my US knife, the awl on my US knife, I bored a hole through it and then drove a green peg through, and then secured it with paracord, and I was able to finish the job. Probably more, I don't know, probably a combination of too much pressure on the back of the saw and fatigue. Might have been cracked. It's just my bad. But you know, carry some duct tape and some paracord in your kit so you can make field expedient fixes. Fortunately, I had my S knife with me, and also got my Western 932, which is a great knife. It has a saw built into it. I can't really do this one-handed. I'll cut myself, you watch. It has a saw built into it, but the teeth on this saw are so fine. There's barely any offset to them. This is a kind of a classic old knife that Western made back in the 80s, and there was a model of this made for the military armed forces for pilot bailouts. I bought this one probably around 1982, 81. The blade was rusting, so I eventually blued it. It's a decent knife, but the saw is pretty worthless. Just really can't do that much with it. But anyway, yeah, just a little fun today. And I was able to open up the trail into the sitting area so I could come in, sit and watch the birds and just enjoy being outdoors. So carry some stuff with you to fix your goodies. Alright, talk to you later.